What is the simulation theory? The simulation theory is a hypothesis that proposes our universe, or the reality we live in, might actually be a computer simulation created by an advanced civilization. This theory gained popularity with the advancements in computer technology, although its roots are deeply embedded in philosophical and scientific discussions. To understand the simulation theory, we must first look at the debates surrounding the nature of the universe, the concept of reality and consciousness. The simulation theory. The simulation theory, as proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom in 2003, suggests that the reality we experience might be a sophisticated simulation created by a technologically advanced civilization. Bostrom's simulation hypothesis is based on three fundamental premises. 1. The likelihood of an advanced civilization's existence. Is it possible for human technology to evolve to the point where we could simulate consciousness and reality itself? 2. The capacity to simulate. If such a civilization exists, would they have the necessary information and technology to create such simulations? 3. The frequency of simulations. If civilizations capable of creating simulations exist, how many of them are there? Could we be one of those simulated realities? Bostrom argues that if these three premises are true, then it is highly likely that we are living in a simulated reality. Consider today's video game technology. It's already possible to simulate human experiences to a degree. With this rapid technological advancement, could we one day create a reality indistinguishable from our current one? Reality perception and consciousness. Before delving deeper into the simulation theory, it's essential to understand what reality perception and consciousness are and how they shape our experiences. Reality is the world as we perceive it and experience it, but these perceptions are often subjective and based on individual experiences. People under different circumstances perceive the world in different ways. For instance, an optical illusion or a mental state can affect how we perceive the world outside. Consciousness, which allows us to experience and make sense of the universe, is deeply rooted in our physical bodies. This means that the reality we perceive is a product of our neurological processes, and it doesn't necessarily represent the external world accurately. This connects closely with the simulation theory's idea that we might not perceive the world in its true form, but rather a simulated version of it. Core arguments of the simulation theory. 1. Technological development and simulation capacity. Advancements in technology suggest that humanity could one day possess the capacity to simulate different worlds. Virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and artificial intelligence all provide us with tools to manipulate and alter our reality. If this trend continues, it seems feasible that a civilization capable of creating realistic simulations could exist in the distant future. 2. Consciousness and simulation. Consciousness is the experience of perceiving the world around us, and it could potentially exist in a simulated environment. For example, an AI or a human in a simulated world could experience consciousness and respond to the environment, similar to how we interact with the world. In this sense, the experience of living in a simulation could still be perceived as real. 3. Quantum physics and simulation. Quantum mechanics also raises questions about the nature of reality. According to quantum theory, particles only exist when they are observed, meaning that they don't have a defined state until measured. This aligns with the simulation theory. As in a simulated universe, things could only take a definitive form when observed or interacted with, just like particles in quantum physics. Philosophical and societal implications. The simulation theory isn't only a scientific idea, but also a philosophical and societal question with significant implications. If we are living in a simulation, what does it mean for the nature of reality and the purpose of life? If our reality is not real, does it undermine the meaning of ethics, morality, and freedom? The societal effects of the simulation theory could challenge our perceptions of free will, personal responsibility, and ethical values. If we are in a simulation, can we truly be free in our decisions and actions? These questions could lead to deep philosophical debates about the nature of existence and consciousness. Are we living in a simulation? While there is no conclusive evidence supporting the simulation theory, the rapid advancement of technology and the philosophical implications continue to make it a compelling question. Based on our personal experiences and perceptions, it's possible that we are living in a simulation. However, we don't yet have concrete evidence to support this hypothesis. In conclusion, the simulation theory raises profound questions about the nature of reality, the universe, and human consciousness. It challenges our understanding of the world and prompts us to reconsider what is real and what is not. So, do you think we are living in a simulation? If you agree, share your thoughts in the comments.